All right, guys, working my way through the pile. I got a nice little packet here from Australia, and I didn't want to show the name. Hopefully there's a letter. I wrote that down, but hopefully there's a letter on the inside, and we will find out what the YouTube name is. Try to pull this. Okay, set that off to the side. And we have 2 locks in here. Oh, along with a nice set of tensioners. Curvy. All right. All right, we have a Brava. I was afraid it was a Lockwood there for a minute. Elementary, and it looks like a worm, or it could be a steaming pile of snake. I really can't say. No clue what that stands for. DALP L1 and L2, Smokin' Sherlock. Okay, let me take a look at the note real quick. See what we got going. Might be some secret information that I can use. Wow, this is tiny print. Okay. Dark Arts Lockpicking. Okay, latest set of challenge locks. There are no pin and pins in these. I've got something different and a big smiley face. Smokin' Sherlock is a level 1 challenge lock, and Elementary is level 2. As a little gift, I've included a set of my homemade Dark Art swoop wrenches. Designed them while trying to find a bottom of the keyway tension wrench that was comfortable to use. Okay. Oh, for left-handed picking. They're perfect for right-handed pickers. Okay. There's only a set of... my set is number 6 of 9. All right, there's a drawing on the back showing me how to use these. So let's try it. Let's try it on this guy. Let's take this off of here first. Maybe. That may be welded on there. Seriously. Wow. There we go. All right. Let's try it. This right here. Clamp that dude up right there. And let's figure out how to use these little guys. Let me get that rubber band off there. And just find the right size. Let's try that small one. That's nice. That makes it easy to keep really light tension. It uses a little bit of my keyway though, but we'll try it since new invention. I got to keep an open mind about everything except using a rake. All right, so light tension. And maybe that's not the right size. Let's try that medium one. Now we've really used up some keyway. Let's put a line on here. And let's see what we got. Wow, there's a really strong spring in the back. That much I can tell you. The tensioner does make it nice. I mean, you can really keep some light tension on this thing. All right, there's a very strong spring in the back. So I'm going to go in with this guy, my Attila. I got nothing. We're definitely not open. I said. Yes, we are. I really like these tension. Oh, wait a minute. I just bumped the camera. Sorry about that. We are not open. We have a very, very deep fault set. Let me put that back in the vise. We are not through working on this little guy. Now my pick is stuck. All right, what I'm going to do is take my top of the keyway tensioner, squeeze him in there, remove the bottom of the keyway, and then take my pick out. Now I'm going to stay with the top of the keyway because I'm probably going to need the room to find out what's holding this guy. There it is right there. Feels like pin 1. We definitely have some counter rotation there. I'll bet you it's that very last one. So in order to get at him, I'm going to have to go small. I'm going to take this guy. This is my SS Dev. It's a 15,000. I'm going to take him in from the bottom to get behind that number 5. And there's the counter rotation on 6. Come on. And there we go. Oh, wait a minute. Another fault set? You got to be kidding me. No way. That is obscene. It's definitely not open. Back in the vise. See if I can force him. Nope. All right. At that angle, there's no direct line to the shear line. I'm sure of it. So I'm going to have to back something up here. I'm going to go back in with this guy. See if anything gives me a counter rotation. And I can't tell if that's it or not. Let's call it pin 2. There's some pinching there. I don't know if that's counter rotation or if it's just me pressuring the core. Okay, I got him. But we still have this obscene fault set. I'm betting it's something in the back. This is a pure gamble. No. Nothing's giving me feedback. That's because we're in a trap. Another trap lock. All right. All right, the last lock I picked was a trap lock. And we said nobody else is going to be getting a pack lock. But because this is the direct lock in line after that one, I'm going to make an exception. I'm going to give a pack lock to this guy. Definitely tricky. But I'm pretty sure we're not going to be able to get him open. This is an arrow. This is a Brava. All right, so let's go ahead and try. But I think we're in a trap. We're in a trap. There's your bidding. Yep. All right, well, it's worth a try. Let me get off camera. I'm going to have to figure out a way to shim this guy open or something. I have to beat him with a hammer to get him out of that locked trap position, and then I will gut it and show you what we got. All right. Give me that tensioner. Give me that tensioner. All right, there we go. All right, I managed to snap him back around by slamming on it with a hammer. Let's see if the key works. Where'd that key go? Here a second ago before stuff started flying around. Crap, Bill. What'd you do with the damn key? There it is. It was hidden up underneath a pile of shims. All right, works perfect. Let's pull him open. All right, looks like we had 2 trap pins. We just got to figure out how they work. But it looks like number 1 and number 4 are the trap pins in some way. Okay, it looks like number 3 and number 5 are threaded. Looks like number 1, in addition to being a trap pin, is undercut. And also number 6 is undercut on both sides. All right, so I picked through all of that, but I could not beat the trap. All right, I've got an idea for the next trap pin. Next trap lock that comes in, I will pick it, and once I pick it to the trap, I'm going to put a screwdriver in it and twist it and break the trap pins. That's how we'll handle it. I got a cheater bar we could use. All right, looks like number 1 has no spring, and down there somewhere, I think, There's a pin, and there he is. Little ball on the end of a spool. All right, number 2 does have a spring, and it's a standard steel. And there he is. Number 3. Is a reduced diameter, kind of a mix between a serrated and a spool. I'm going to call those micro spools. Number 4 is a very nice looking spool. Number 6. Oh, look at that. He just barely pops his head up like a gopher. Again, a reduced diameter, little micro spool, very sharp edges on him. And look at this. That's like out of a watch or something. And the last one, pin 5, it is, looks like a homemade, no, might be commercial. Like, it's so finely done. Nice, sharp, serrated. All right, I'm a little bit confused here, and I'll be the first to admit it. Inside of here, I can't see how there would be anything that could be undercut or threaded. Looks to be all standard. All right, how in the world are we getting caught in a trap? Find those tweezers. So let's look at pin 1. So if we have the ball would come down. Yeah, and we've seen this before, guys, where the ball gets trapped in this little groove. It's undercut, and so the ball will get caught. And that, I'm not saying that's where I was, but whoop, he would have been turned about like that, because I was picking clockwise. That's pretty close to the right angle. And then the next one would be number 4. Again, same kind of deal. It's not a ball, but it is enough to get caught going in either direction. So I was caught by at least 1, maybe 2 of these trap pins. I probably could have sheared off both of those if I put a screwdriver in it. And that's my plan from now on. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Dark Arts, thank you, sir, for the lock, and also for these really cool curved tensioners. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Lock Lab, where the fun begins.